Okay, today we are going to be making a portrait. And we're going to be making a portrait of ourselves. And we're going to make this portrait a little bit unique because we're going to draw ourselves, we're going to paint ourselves, and then we're going to make ourselves blowing a bubble. And we're actually going to put a big pink ball on our portrait to make it look like a bubble is being blown right out of our mouths. It's going to be very cool. So I need you to repeat after me. We are going to make a portrait. A portrait is a picture of a person. There are two other main types of art. Landscapes are a picture of a place, like a mountain or a beach. A still life is a picture of a thing, like a shoe or an apple or a pear. But we are making a portrait, a picture of a person. And if it's a picture of ourselves, then it is a self-portrait. Oh no, I'm upside down. When I call your team, you need to pick up one black oil pastel, one piece of paper. You need to write your name and your class code. And then you need to flip it like a pancake and put your head down. So to draw our portrait, you're going to watch me first, and then something that I suggest you do is that you air draw. That's where you draw above your paper just to sort of practice whatever it is. Now to start, we're going to be starting with the shape of the letter U, and that's going to be the bottom of our face. What shape are we going to be making? So I want you to watch me and I want you to listen to me. And then when I say go, you're going to air draw the U shape just like I do. Then you are going to take your time and you are really going to draw the U shape. Now, once you draw the U shape, you want to make sure not to rub your hands across your paper because it will smear your paper. Now, after you draw the shape of the U, you're going to come on each side and you're going to make some shoulders. Now, we want our shoulders to be straight and pointy. No, our shoulders are sort of rounded. So I'm going to air draw a curve over here and over here. And then I'm really going to draw and I'm going to come right here. And I'm going to come down here to this side of the paper. I'm going to come down here to this side of the paper. So now we have the start of a head and the start of our body. When you're done with that, just stop and put your head down so I know you're ready to go. Go. No talking, bubbles in. U shape, and then two shoulders, and then heads down. Remember, do not rub your hands across your paper and take your time and draw. If you need to peel your paper, you are more than welcome to do so. Heads down when you're done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so the next thing we're going to draw is our nose. Repeat after me. Our nose is going to look like the letter J. My J can go forwards or backwards. I'm going to air draw before I real draw. Okay, bubbles in. Watch me first. So I'm going to bring my nose right about here because it's a little bit lower than the middle of the face, and I think I'll make mine go this way. So I'm just going to draw a little J just like that. After I make my little J, I am not going to put a mouth because what we're going to put there is actually going to look like pink bubble gum popping out of our mouth. So after you just make a J, I want you to stop, put it down. I'll give you 10 seconds to draw that. Go ahead and draw. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Class. So next we're going to draw our eyes. For my eyes, I'm going to make sort of the shape of a rainbow. Sort of the shape of a rainbow. Then I'm going to add in a circle and another circle. Now I want to add some eyelashes to mine. Because I'm a girl and I like my eyelashes, I'm also going to add some eyebrows to mine. Okay? And then I'm just going to stop. Go ahead, I'll give you about a minute to draw your eyes, and you make your eyes look like how you like. I'll give you about a minute. I love how concentrated we are. About 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, if you are a boy, you're probably going to want to draw some ears and then some hair that comes up above here. If you're a girl and you have some longer hair, you're going to want to draw some hair that comes maybe down around this side and then over on this side. You could put a bow in your hair. You could add some designs to your shirt, whether you're a boy or a girl. But we're just going to add a few more things, except for what are we leaving blank? Absolutely. So go ahead and do that. When I'm done, I'm going to put Mr. Pastel back in the blue box. I'm going to head to my seat. I'm going to put my head down. Go.